Hey pals, so we are here at the Wilderness Lodge. I'm going to give you a room tour of Copper Creek Villa's Deluxe Studio. All right. As soon as you walk in, you have this huge mirror right here, which is also barn door for the bathroom. It's pretty nice. Closet right here, extra pillows and blankets. Got an ironing board, the safe. It's a small closet, but it would do. We go into the bathroom. Very nice. Cabinets down here, extra toilet paper, storage. We got a drawer on each side. I got the hair dryer, and you can some storage there. Plenty of room on the countertops. Top and bottom, you got a little shelf up top. That's really nice. A lot of storage. And then this is like my favorite in the bathrooms, the makeup mirror with the light. I really like magnify. Really like those. And we got the H2O products. Yay, I love the H2O products. Yeah, got a huge mirror. Alright. And then here is where the tub and the toilet are in this room. And it looks like it is a pocket door. Maybe? Yeah. Pocket door. So you can actually close that area off. If somebody's doing their business or wanting to take a shower and somebody else is wanting to get ready in the morning, maybe do their makeup and stuff, do their hair. Okay, so here it is a tub. So if you have littles, that is always good. And then, oh, you have a rain shower head above. And then you got a detachable one. That's really nice. I'm looking forward to taking a shower in just a little bit and get ready to go to the park. And we have the H2O products, and they are not locked up. That's awesome. Some of the Disney resorts will have the H2O products, but they'll be locked up. I'm so excited to see that these aren't, because they're coming home with me. Yay! Yay! And then we just have the toilet. Yeah, some towels. And then just come back out. And as soon as you come out, you have a little kitchenette. And, oh, nice. You got plenty of storage here. That's unexpected. Very unexpected. Okay, so here we got a spoon, fork, plasticware, can opener, trash can, some dish soap, dish towels, some more dish soap, sink. Ooh, that has a lot of pressure. I didn't expect that. Okay, so we have our ice bucket up here, some storage, paper plates, cups, and these coffee cups, friends, I don't know if you can make this out on the camera, but they have Mickeys on them, little Mickey heads. And so far I've seen these at all the resorts. Get so excited about that. And you got a microwave, coffee pot, the famous Joffrey's coffee, and that is the 50th edition as well. Some plug-ins, and then that's with the light at the kitchenette. Also got 2 more cabinets. Oh yeah, we got a toaster. So if you're staying here, you could be able to make some stuff. Because there is a refrigerator. Just a little mini fridge. Just for the necessities. And then we come over and turn on the lights. Let's see. Let's get some lights on. There we go. We got the nightstand with 3 drawers. 3 drawers. Okay, and then you got some plug-ins and you got them USBs. I know we all love when the resorts have USB plug-ins. And they have this light switch that you can dim the lighting. And you have a bed. You also have this bench. Let's see. There's a drawer for more storage. It's pretty nice. Sit down, put your shoes on. And then we come over to the other side. You also have the light switch, which is on both sides of the bed. Has a dimmer. And this one controls this side. Yeah. Have this little light right here. And this side also has the USBs and 2 plug-ins. This side also has 3 drawers. Plenty of storage. So we have a couch. And this does pull out to a couch bed. Yes. There is a couch bed underneath here. You have this coffee table area. And I do believe, yes. So yeah, pals, you have the coffee table that pulls up into a table. So you can go and get your food at the quick services and quick service restaurants. Bring it in, bring your snacks, or if you need an area to need a little workspace. That's pretty awesome. And then you can have some storage, and that's goes down pretty easy. Yeah, that's awesome. And then you do have a table over here. Table, 2 chairs, mirror with lighting above it. And then here we go. Let's go see what kind of view we have. This is on the 1st floor, Copperidge Villas at Wilderness Lodge. So we are on the 1st floor. So they have these barriers between the 2 rooms. You come out on your little veranda and you have 2 chairs and a table. Let's see what we got out here. The pool area is right there. So it is a little noisy, but not too bad. Still very peaceful. You can see the trees with the moss. I love the moss. You can see the little splash pad over there, the little bucket. Yeah. Okay, pals, so that is the room tour for the Deluxe studio at Copper Creek Wilderness Lodge.